Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Kate-made paper doll. Start by gathering cardstock, scissors, glue, and printable templates, then clear a flat workspace. Trace the body outline carefully and use a craft knife for small details. Score the fold lines lightly and assemble tabs with a small dab of glue. Take your time adding facial features and hair layers for depth. I'll guide you through each step in a calm, friendly way so you feel confident. Prepare your cutting tools and keep fingers safe with controlled, steady motions as we cut and score the doll pieces. Trace the template edges clearly and cut slowly to avoid jagged lines. Use a ruler and bone folder to score fold lines for tidy tabs and clean assembly. Trim any paper fuzz and test fit parts before gluing to ensure alignment. This careful approach keeps your paper doll looking polished and durable. Assemble your paper doll by gluing tabs in small sections, pressing firmly and holding until secure. Start with the torso, then attach limbs and test movement points for flexibility. Dress the doll by layering outfits from base pieces to outerwear and add small accessories like hats or shoes for personality. Use tiny amounts of glue to prevent bubbling and set pieces aside to dry completely before posing. This method ensures a neat, long-lasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.